This one's becoming a nail biter. We got 2 letters left. We do the top one or the bottom? I think we're gonna do the top one. Let's do the top one. And it's a W. Oh man. Oh, we got the W here. And we got the W there. Did I miss an O? I think I missed an O, guys. We got an O right here in Adam. So we actually looks like we have a winner here. So let's see if we can get one more letter here. Maybe we can find a T. If we get a T, that'll at least give us this one. That'll give us 4 words. Or maybe we can, even if we find the, wait. Oh, wait, we got 4 words, guys. So maybe we find that L. We can find that L. That'll give us 6 words, I think, for 20. I think right now we're at 4. Well, we can find that L. That'll give us 2 more. No, that'll give us more than 2 words. That'll give us, because we got ounce. We got poem. We got owl. So that's 3. We got page is 4. If we can get that L, that'll be pale, polar, and colonial. And it'll give us clue. That would be 4 more words. That would give us a $25 win. Can we find that last letter for one more big win? And it's the X. But hey, you know